quick and easy without purposely being quick and easy.
It's just on brand for the whole recipe, isn't it?
Right?
What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another vegan recipe. Today we're making another quick and easy recipe. Is that our thing now?
I feel like it's becoming our thing. I'm okay with it.
Yeah, let's keep doing it.
It's our thing unless we make cinnamon rolls.
Okay, so what did we make today?
We made kimchi fried rice.
There you go.
Yeah, so obviously it's not an authentic recipe. We are not Korean, but did some research, made my best version of it, but in the blog post as well, I'll be linking more resources to like more authentic Korean kimchi fried rice. But just disclaimer here, it's still delicious.
Sweet. Well, should we just, before we go make it though, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future vegan recipes every Sunday and whatever Wednesdays every other Wednesday. And now should we go make the rice?
Yeah, make this quick and easy recipe.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
To make your kimchi fried rice, you're going to bring a pan or a wok to medium-high heat, and we're gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil or any other kind of cooking oil that you'd prefer. Then we're gonna add in some diced white onion. We're gonna cook that for about 2 minutes. Then we're gonna add in some chopped kimchi and stir fry that for about another minute or so. We're gonna add in some day-old cooked short grain white rice. Then we're gonna add some of the kimchi juice or brine to that as well. Some water, a little bit of soy sauce, gochujang, and then we're just gonna stir that until it's nice and combined, breaking up the rice as needed. We're gonna cook that for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the rice starts to dry out a little bit and get a little bit crispy. Once the rice is all ready and cooked, we're going to add in a drizzle of sesame oil and then turn off the heat, and we're going to add in some green onions, some sesame seeds, and some nori, and we're just gonna stir that until it's all combined. Then you're ready to serve. A little bit of a tip here, if you forgot to make your rice the night before or you don't have any leftover rice, you can use rice that you made the day of, but I'd recommend making it as early as possible, allowing it to cool down in the fridge until it's dried out a little bit. We don't want fresh rice, it's just gonna make it mushy. See how quick that was?
Oh my gosh, that was so fast.
Honestly though, fried rice is one of my favorite things to make. Just because like you can add anything to it and it's just so good.
Honestly, it's one of my favorite things to eat.
Have you tried this yet, or is this your first time trying it?
It's my first time. I waited for you.
Oh.
Oh.
I feel so special. Mm-hmm. Now, Devin, you don't normally buy kimchi, right?
I don't know.
So have you eaten kimchi a lot?
I went through a phase where I was eating it a lot, and then I stopped for a while, and I haven't really gotten back into it. I like it. I like kimchi in small doses, you know?
So how does this work for you then?
This is really good.
Yeah? Okay, good. So did you also have to buy gochujang?
Well, I didn't buy gochujang, but instead I put some chili garlic sauce in it.
Okay.
Because I figure that's it's a type of hot sauce, right? But not just like...
gochujang is like a Korean chili paste.
Yeah, so I thought I have something close to that. I'll do that because I don't think gochujang would get used enough in my house for me to buy it, so...
It would definitely only be used by you.
Yeah.
It's so good. I love this so much. I said this in the recipe as well, but like to make this recipe, it's best with leftover rice. So if you have leftover rice from takeout, or you made like rice for a dinner the night before, use leftover rice because you can really get like that rice nice and crispy when you cook it. But if you don't have the time or don't have leftover rice and are just craving some fried rice, you can make it as early as you can before you plan to actually make the dish, like make the rice, and then just let it sit in the fridge in an open container and let it cool down and dry out a little bit before you make it.
Sweet. I mean, this kind of tastes like takeout to me.
Oh.
Like, because fried rice is the typical takeout food that I would order.
Yeah.
So anytime I make it, I'm like, oh, it's just like I'm having takeout.
I love fried. Honestly, I need to get back into my fried rice in the mornings routine.
Yeah.
My fried rice for breakfast.
Kat, you know what would be so good with this rice?
What?
The gochujang tofu that you made last year. Remember it was in like a wrap or something?
Oh yeah, the crispy tofu that was in the wrap.
That would be so good with this.
Yeah, that would be amazing.
So maybe that's what we should talk about in the comments then. What would you add to this? Yeah, what would you add to this fried rice or to other fried rice recipes that you make?
Yeah, what do you eat fried rice with?
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, I say it most of the time I eat just fried rice like this.
Yeah.
But like if I'm feeling a little fancier, I add a crispy tofu or something like that.
I'm feeling fancy. Okay, as usual, the recipe will be linked in the description box below. There's also a link to our podcast. It's called Camera Eats First. It comes out every Monday, everywhere that you get podcasts. We talk about veganism, we talk about how we make our recipes, how we run our blog, and we keep you up to date on trending news topics in the vegan world. Go give it a listen. There's also a link to our Patreon account. Our patrons are a lovely group of people who support the work that we do, and in exchange, we give them some bonus content. If you're able to support us, we really appreciate that. And if not, that's okay. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share it with somebody who might enjoy this recipe.
Also, guys, any of our American viewers, the election's coming up, please vote.
Important. Go vote.
Our PSA of the day. Please vote.
Comment, subscribe.
No matter where you are, if you have an election, please vote.
Comment, subscribe, like the video, and go vote.
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's it.
Yeah, that was quick and easy without purposely being quick and easy.
It's just on brand for the whole recipe, isn't it?
Right?
Here we go.
Look at that. Are we doing a mukbang today?
Yeah, that's why I'm trying not to eat more of the rice.
Yeah, okay. That's what I was trying to do earlier, too. I'm like, I need to stop eating this because we're going to do a mukbang.
Okay.
Okay, get ready for